Take any page from drab to fab, glam it up, and make those pattern papers sparkle with glitter using the Magic Wand tool. This video is being filmed in expert mode of Photoshop Elements, but the instructions are exactly the same for Photoshop, except where noted. Let's get started by opening the Paper Polka Dot DST Glitter Magic-Digital Scrapper.jpg or a simple pattern paper of your own choosing. It's important to note that the pattern needs to be clearly defined with simple edges to work best with this tutorial. If you'd like to follow along exactly, I'm using the Paper Polka Dot DST Glitter Magic Digital Scrapper JPEG file. In the menu bar, choose File, Duplicate to create a copy. Photoshop users choose Image Duplicate. In the dialog box, click OK. Close the original paper file. Next, we're going to select the pattern from the paper. Get the Magic Wand tool, and in the Tool options, click on the new selection icon and set the tolerance to 32. Uncheck Sample All Layers and Contiguous, but check Anti-Aliasing. Photoshop users set the sample size to point sample. On the document, click one of the dots to select the pattern. Press Ctrl-J or Command-J on a Mac to duplicate the selection. In the Layers panel, click directly on the name of the duplicated layer and rename it Clipping Pattern Mask, and then press Enter or Return to commit the change. Now we're going to add a drop shadow. Remember, a little goes a long way. We want to add just a hint of dimension because glitter is not flat. It may be difficult to see the effect, but the settings we use here are going to be just enough to give the glitter that glued-on look. If you'd rather the glitter pattern pop off the page, then you'll need to use a larger drop shadow. So in the menu bar, choose Layer, Layer Style, Style Settings. In the dialog box, set the lighting angle to 120. Click directly on the word Drop Shadow to open the settings. Set the size to 3, the distance to 1, the opacity to 50%, and click OK to close the dialog box. Photoshop users, please refer to the manual for specific instructions. The next step is to add the glitter. Open one of the glitter papers from the downloads. If you want to follow along exactly, I'm using the Paper Glitter Rose Gold DST Glitter Magic Digital Scrapper PNG file. Get the Move tool, and on the document, hold down the Shift key and click and drag the glitter paper onto the polka dot paper. Holding down the Shift key ensures that it will center on our new paper. In the Layers panel, the glitter paper layer should be at the top of the panel. If it's not, move it there now. In the Layers panel, press and hold down the Alt key in Windows or the Option key on a Mac and hover between the glitter paper layer and the clipping pattern mask until you see the little icon, and then click to clip the paper to the clipping pattern. Finally, save the document as a high-quality JPEG file with a unique name. Sometimes, all you need is to just add glitter. Look at how it brought the magic to these Christmas elements. Here is the page I created using the pattern paper, the glitter paper, and the Magic Wand tool. My sweet babies are all grown now, but I love how the glitter adds a little magic to this sweet page. I can almost hear them laughing when I look at it. For a free PDF version of this video, click on the download link and then make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This has been Gina Harper from Digital Scrapper, the very best place on the web to find complete and professional instruction for digital scrapbooking. We help you get your stories told.